So this was really shocking state of affairs, nothing but they are shocked. What these people are, we are entertaining them, they are enjoying their life here. They were of the opinion that the poor should be given only two alternatives. Either to starve quickly outside the workhouse or gradually inside the house. So they were actually, what is their opinion upon poorer classes? Actually, why government makes this orphanage? Because the children, those who don't have anybody, they don't feel left out. They don't spoil their life. So they don't just, they don't go lifeless. So here, that's why government works for them and provides. But here, in this, when those days, when the, it's kind of a, particularly they built it for them, how it was. So that's why here in the previous para I said Charles Dickens, how he criticized as child labor, even children upon the street, how those days it was not appreciated. So these gentlemen, those who were running this orphanage or workhouse, they felt poorer class people, means lower level, they don't have any living stand, they don't have those who come over there, they don't deserve life as if. So for them it is only two alternatives, means two, from this any one option you have to choose. When you say alternatives, alternative means either this or this. So what are the options given for these poor people? Actually here they feel, they were of the opinion, means it was whose opinion? Only particularly these gentlemen's opinion, children, don't get confused. So it was the opinion, they felt that the poor class, the poor should be given only two alternatives, nothing but either they should starve quickly outside workhouse, they should starve quickly. See, this word is very important, starve. That means die without food. Suffer, die or suffer. Okay, so this means starve means whether they have to die or suffer for long without food, quick, when outside, if they are not staying inside the workhouse, if at all they are saved and they are brought to the workhouse. So here it is quickly, they have to starve quickly when they are outside the workhouse. When they are inside the workhouse, gradually, nothing but slowly. Underline the word, children, gradually means slowly, the same, they have to starve inside the workhouse. Understand? The alternatives they are giving here, two alternatives. Two alternatives, children. What is that? They have to starve quickly, either outside the workhouse or slowly inside the workhouse. So their opinion is that they should suffer, they should starve if they are outside the workhouse. That means if they are not brought into the workhouse, nothing but the orphanage, then they can die quickly outside without food. If they have been brought to the orphanage, what is the option given for them? Slowly they should die here, but they should die. That is the opinion. Anyone who is not given proper food, then what happens, children? No, anyhow we will die today or the other day, yes, because starvation, starving here, nothing but suffering without food. When you don't have proper food, what happens? We will really die. Yes or no? Same here, they are saying that, see how is the thinking going? These gentlemen whom we call wise, whom we call philosophical, nothing but who give, talk about life upon reasons, about ethics. So these people, they have the opinion that these poor class people, they should die without food if they are outside the workhouse, or else they should die slowly, starving, without food inside the workhouse. See, they are running the workhouse, and what is the opinion they have upon this? The children, those who don't have anyone, though they don't have. See, if you take the example of Oliver, actually his mother, when after giving birth to him, his mother died. He doesn't know what a family, who is, from where did he come. So he has been raised in that orphanage. So what feeling he would have? So this is the opinion about this gentleman have about such children. The children, those who do not have anyone in the world, the children those who don't have anyone to take care of them, to ask them for food. Now children, when food is really important, no? Even nowadays you see, when your mother, we don't ask even they feed us. No, you must be feeling, you eat this, that, when little curry with little extra salt or little extra less salt, I am not going to eat it. This is not, I like this curry, I don't like this pappu, today I am not going to eat. You just waste. How many of you waste your rice during your lunch breaks, children? You just hide and throw it in the dustbin. Think of such children. See, think of such people who has such opinion upon such children that starve. Without food they have to die. When they are living in the orphanage, they have to die slowly, but they have to die without food. If they are outside, let them die quickly. This is the opinion. If you compare yourself to them, how lucky you people are, because God blessed you with a family, with parents who really take care of you. They not only give you proper food, they give you the best thing in your life. Yes, whatever you like. If today morning you said, I don't like this curry, the whole day your mother will be worried. Have you eaten your food properly or not? Have you did any, so what, when you return back, she will do something which you really love to eat, because she might have been the opinion that somehow you are not happy with that food, so you have not eaten properly. Yes or no? Right? So once you compare how blessed you people are, you are not in the position of such child, where you are not, what is the opinion these people have upon them? They should be without food. Anywhere, wherever they stay, the alternatives, you say, they gave 2 alternatives. The opinion is that they should be given 2 alternatives. What? If they are outside, they have to starve, they have to die quickly. Inside, starving slowly, but same, they have to starve. That is their opinion. Understand now? Yes, let's continue, children. They decided that the inmates of the workhouse would be issued 3 meals of thin gruel a day, with an onion twice a week. See, that's why when they have gone through all the works, how people are doing, how it is, everything has been done, how the orphanage is run. So they understood, these people are just enjoying their food each time. So from that day they have decided that inmates means nothing but those who residing inside. Okay, even in prison, those who are staying, we call them inmates, nothing but the prisoners who are. So here the children, the orphan children who are residing, for them they said that of the workhouse, decided that the inmates of the workhouse would be issued 3 meals of thin gruel. This is very important, children, to know. Gruel. What is thin? That also thin gruel. 3 meals per day, 3 meals. This thin gruel they will be giving to children, and twice in a week. Just twice a week onion. Just twice in a week. Twice in a week onion. That's all. In our next video we are going to see what this thin gruel is. How much will you enjoy if you are given this gruel? Will you? Let me see. We'll continue in this next video.